Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a review. Today's video I'm going to be doing a review, demo and first impressions of the new LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. I got the shade Caramel and it claims to be medium to full coverage, smooth long wear suede finish. So it retails for, I think it's different prices everywhere else. Like I got mine in Beauty Base, which is like a beauty and like perfume store in Westfield Stratford, and I got mine for £9.99. And I'm not too sure how much it is on like Beauty Bay or Cult Beauty, but I'm pretty sure they've just recently started stocking it. So I'll leave all the links below. But as I said, I don't know how much they sell it like anywhere else. But you could probably get this in hair shops as well if you, because I know like a lot of hair shops do sell LA Girl. So yeah, if you want to see how I got on with the foundation, then just keep watching. Right, so I have moisturised my face as usual, and I always use the NYX First Face Priming Spray anyway to put foundation on, and I always do it for my testing videos just so the result is similar. And I've also put wax on my eyebrows today to hold them in place and concealed around my eyebrows, but that is it. So I'm just gonna undo the plastic. It doesn't say to do anything else apart from to apply a sponge or brush, shake it up. And what I might do is I'm gonna do a comparison between the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect and Conceal foundation and also the Runway foundation, which I use. They're not very similar in shade, but they still work for me. Milani Model's Own, and now I was actually worried it was going to be way too light, but I'm actually quite okay. It's very similar to the Milani one, but a bit more yellow. But we will see how it works on the skin. So, what I do with most foundations anyway, unless I know how foundation works, I like to apply it to one area and blend it out. And especially for matte foundations, because they do dry down, to a matte finish, you want to make sure you apply it to one section, blend it out, and then move on to the next one, just so it doesn't dry down and it's hard to blend out. So that's what we're going to do. I have no idea how much I'm putting on. And I'm not going to conceal any like dark marks or anything. Right, fingers crossed. It blends into my skin. Like when I put it on my skin, I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be too light. And like I said, with like most matte foundations or all matte foundations, the colour that you put on your face is not gonna be the end result. It is gonna dry down to a darker finish. It smells of something, I don't know. Okay, I'm really happy with that coverage so far. Blends into my neck like a dream. I can't fault this product so far at all. I don't have any scarring really or much on this side, so let's test this mess over here, see if it works. And like I said, to cover dark marks, I stipple it over the areas that need covering. I'll leave a video about how I... Oh, how have I got that on my lips? I'll leave a video about how I conceal my dark marks without colour correcting. But... put a bit more on. Like it smells of some, it smells of some like hair product. I can't describe it, but it smells like it's got a weird smell to it. Right, I don't know if you can see, my scars are still showing through a bit here, and just a bit here, but overall it's quite good. Now my forehead is naturally lighter, so naturally darker. Obviously that's where the sun hits, so it might look a bit crazy, but when I go in with like bronzing and contouring, it will balance all out. So I'm really happy with the coverage. It doesn't really feel like I got It doesn't really feel like I've got anything on my face. It looks really skin-like. It just feels like didn't feel like I was blending anything into my face. It just feels really nice skin-like, and yeah, I really like the foundation. There's like nothing I can say bad about it. If you saw my last video on the Runway Matte Foundation by Model's Own, that one is like a matte finish. Although it looks skin-like, it is like obviously like definitively, that's not even a word. It's like definitely matte. But this one, it's matte, but like maybe I need to wait for it to dry down a bit. But like it hasn't. It looks more skin-like. There's a bit of a tinge of a glow. It's not. I feel like it's not completely matte. I don't know. Maybe in comparison to the other like foundation that they have, maybe it is like a lot more matte. But I don't know. It just looks like natural. Like you just put. It just. I don't know. It just looks natural. You know, like it looks nice, natural, like not cakey at all. But I don't know, maybe I'll give it a few minutes for it to set down properly. But in the meantime, I'm gonna like conceal under my eyes a little bit and just do my normal like contour, bronze, blush. And I think I'm just gonna do mascara today, maybe some eyeliner. But just my normal routine. I'm not gonna set anywhere with powder. So, well, I'll set under my eyes with powder, but I won't set like my forehead or the sides of my face with powder, just to see the longevity of the foundation and how it holds up. But yeah, I'll do that and I'll be back in a minute. So I'm back now and I've done my makeup, obviously. It probably took me about 10-15 minutes to do my makeup. So I put the foundation on at about, what, 10:30, 10:20 actually, or probably about 10:20 actually. So I'll come back in 8 hours later so I can show you what it looks like. But yeah, I might pop out to the shops, I'm not sure. I might film another video, who knows. But what I really liked about the foundation is that usually, like, I don't like cream contour at all. Like, I just don't do it. I use a powder contour and bronzer and blush and all of that stuff. And usually I set my face with powder, and then that way the contour powders and stuff like that can just glide over my face, as opposed to applying it on like a slightly tacky surface, which is the foundation, which would be hard to blend out. And it literally blended out perfectly. Like, it looks so good and so natural. I'm really happy about it. So I'll come back in 8 hours and see how it's held up. Hopefully it won't go too crazy, but we'll see. But anyways, for now, I will see you in a bit. I am back, and as you can see, I'm looking like an oily mess. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired from a day of doing absolutely nothing. I'm actually in my dressing gown, like I'm, as people, these YouTubers say, keeping it real on my channel. Yeah, I'm not gonna put on airs and graces like called CBA, but like, don't worry, I've enjoyed doing this video. Like, I'm not upset about doing this video or anything, but I'm just knackered. And okay, so it's literally 1 minute to 10:30. So this has been on my face for like what, 12 hours, and I'm not gonna lie, I looked in at the 7-hour mark and my face was still pretty matte. But as I said, it has been on for like 12 hours. Yeah, 12 hours. Anyways, like I said, I didn't powder my face at all, so the makeup was held up pretty well, and it hasn't rubbed off, or has it? Has it rubbed off there? It probably rubbed off there. Look, it's rubbed off there because I had my scarf on, I took it off. But as I said, I didn't powder my makeup, so I usually would powder my makeup, and I'm pretty sure it would have come off otherwise. Let's see if the makeup does come off when I powder my face. Makeup's still intact. Yeah, I think it's fine. Makeup's still intact, looks cool. I actually really like this foundation. Like I said, if I'd powdered, it would have been fine. And yeah, I usually wear makeup every like Monday to Friday to go to work for like at least 8 hours, and it would have held up for that. And I'm really happy with the foundation so far. It says it is a suede finish, and that's the word I was looking for when I was trying to describe it earlier. It's not like completely matte, it is like a suede finish, and it looks really nice to skin like. So yeah, that is it, and I really like this foundation. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with my Model's Own foundation, just because this does dry down a teeny bit grey. Like, it's workable, it's fine, and I like it, and I really do love it. But I might use these two together for my everyday foundation because I like the finish of them both. And yeah, that is it for my review on the foundation. I do foundation, concealer, or just general like base face product reviews and tips and stuff like that every single Friday, which is why I call it Face Fix Friday. So yeah, this is another like little episode, if you will, in the mix finished. If you got this far in the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.